So Huawei recently launched the Huawei Nova Y60 series as well as the Huawei Nova 8. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Huawei Nova Y60, what's in the box and what it has to offer. If this is your first time watching, my name is Fakier and welcome to my channel. So starting off with a quick unboxing, as you can see, you've got a Huawei Nova Y60 brand box with the Nova branding, of course. This is a review unit, so it definitely went back to Huawei, and you can see that you get a USB Type-C cable but no earphones in the box, and then you've got a 15-watt charging adapter, which is also pretty decent. Of course, you've got a charging pin, and I'm not sure if you get in the retail boxes as yet, but I did not get a silicone gel case in the box. Obviously, that's always welcome. Now, looking at this phone, I always have to mention the price, and it starts at 2,999, and you can get it also at the maximum of 3,100 rand. Now, this phone is a plastic phone, and it does come in crush green, as you can see in this model, and then also in midnight black. The phone has a 6.6-inch display and 5000 mAh battery, 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. There's a triple camera setup, an audio jack and a USB Type-C port, which is a winner at this price point. There's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is really speedy and snappy. I had no problems unlocking the screen, and as you can see, I can use it and it unlocks really fast. Now, many people have a problem with a power button and a fingerprint sensor to be on the same place, but I honestly had no problem. You can see that although the screen isn't like a super AMOLED screen, especially of course you can't expect that at the price point, the phone is still quite smooth and runs quite snappy, and those blacks are really deep, and that's why I specifically chose this wallpaper. The phone is running on Huawei mobile services, and as you can see, it runs EMUI software on Android version 10 and EMUI version 11.1. Also, not forgetting that this phone has a raindrop notch selfie camera at 8 megapixel on the front. Just a disclaimer, this is a Huawei mobile services device and it doesn't have the Google Play Store that you're used to. You can access your Gmail via the email app. It has Petal Maps as well as Petal Search for that additional apps that you'd like to find. You can still find all of your usual apps that you are used to, and then Huawei has your usual gallery and interface that you are familiar with. As you can see, you still make use of the Huawei camera app, and it still has the very nice camera app that you are used to. You can switch between managing your aperture, beauty mode, photo, video, HDR and even panoramic. The cameras on offer is a 13 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide lens, as well as a depth camera at 2 megapixels. As you can see, the camera app and the software is quite smooth, and the selfie camera as well, in good lighting, can perform quite nice with that 8 megapixel shooter. The Nova Y60 is a solid offer at the solid price, and honestly there's not much that you can beat for 3,000 rand at this price point, and such good quality, as well as all of the available apps that you would like to use on a day-to-day basis. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll catch you with the next phone. Bye.